everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be a DIY. I'm going to be trying to do these crescent moon or half moon wreath for Halloween or any, like, it could be for Halloween or for anything really, because it's more of a flowery thing than anything else. And I originally saw it on TikTok and I decided to try it myself and do it. And all of the items that I'm going to be showing you, I got it from the Dollar Tree. That is the things that I'm going to be using for this. You're also going to need a wire cutter scissor thing and a hot glue gun and hot glue, or however you want to like glue your things to it. These ones I actually had them from was it Valentine's long time ago. Look at it, and it's like a little jewel. I'm gonna be looking into it how I'm first of all we're going to be taking off our tags. I'm going to be using this tape. You can use duct tape or any kind of tape that you have to clamp onto the edges of what we're going to be cutting, and we're going to be using our handy dandy scissors to do that. And we're going to make a little cut here and kind of unite them. I have forgotten to mention that you're gonna need some kind of a mesh. I do have this one from previous years. I did got this at the Dollar Tree way back. You're gonna need some kind of a mesh to put on top so we can put the moss on top of it. We're gonna make a little cut. Now this little cut, you can see that the wreath has these little sections. We're gonna cut one of them just like this. Hopefully I can make it without the help of my husband. Little piece cut already. Now we have these, which we're going to tie like this and then do the top right like so. I recommend to use duct tape. I don't have duct tape at hand, but I do have this, so I can use that for a little bit. You see this? We have this pointy part. If you would have cut more of it, I think it would have been too short, like too short. It will like be like weird. I think cutting only that little piece of it, it's just enough to make the crescent moon effect. Now we grab your mesh and we're gonna start wrapping. Okay, now that we have our wreath covered with mesh, we have glue on the back, secure our ends right here. We're gonna use our moss and kind of just use our flowers however we want to place them and make sure we stick them together. Just take it off and just hot glue place and stick. Okay, now that you have your moon like that, cover with the moss. If you're using just one color, like if you found the green one or you're doing it all in green one, just make sure all your cricks and crannies are covered up on the edges and things like that. And just like where the major areas are for visible view. I'm going to now drop a little bit of my green one here and there. That you have your moon the way you want it, you get to arrange and have fun with the flowers. I have these. Now I'm going to cut them and just use the flowers like this. I'm not going to use the big stems. And there you have it. I have finished my TikTok viral crescent moon. Look at that from Dollar Tree. I think it came out pretty awesome. Once I had it hanging from the door, I actually had to rearrange the little picks a little bit because they were all kind of piled in one little spot. But I think it looks beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Look at that. Let me see. Let me put it now on this side. So look at that. You can obviously put it in your door, or you can put it in the wall to decorate your living room or anything that you like. Hopefully you guys like my video, how I did my own crescent moon. All the items are from the Dollar Tree. And let me see how much I spent. I spent $1 for this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. $8. $8 for all of this, which you probably wouldn't get it for $8 and anywhere else. But yeah, hopefully you guys like my crescent moon DIY for today. Go get your supplies from the Dollar Tree, and remember to click subscribe if you haven't done so. If you already did, thank you very much, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.